Hey everyone, so today we are going to build authentication for web application. But here's the thing, we are not going to write any authentication code ourselves. No password hashing, no JWT token, no session management. We are using WSO2 Asgardeo for our authentication. It's just like auth0 and Firebase auth. By the end of this video, you will have secure authentication system powered by the WSO2 Asgardeo. So let's get into the video. Alright, quick overview. Asgardeo is an identity as service provider, which means they handle all the authentication stuff for you, like social login, multi-factor authentication, single sign-on, and all the stuffs handled by themselves. And also, it's free for up to 5,000 users. Let's see how to implement it in our web application. So, start with the Asgardeo. You have to create an account first. So, head back to the website and simply sign up your email or Gmail. So I already create an account. I sign in with my previous account. After you sign in and you land into the Asgardeo console, this dashboard we use to create our applications and customize our login page and set up protocols and customize the login registration flows. And also they have clear documentation how to implement in your applications. They provide documentation for all the programming languages, and I follow this for my web application. So I build in a Node.js application, and it's pretty simple. Everything documented, and we have to follow the documentation. And also we can customize our login page, who look there, and customize the logo, customize the primary button colors, and anything we can customize. And also they have login security. We can password validation, login attempts, and bot detections. And also we can implement Google logins, GitHub logins, and pretty easily. Now let me show the web application I created for implement the Asgardeo. And this is the web application I created, and can simply sign in with Asgardeo. And I already created an account. You can see when we come to the user management in the users, we can see the active users in the web application and how I log in with some user. The authentication part handled by the Asgardeo, and this is the web application. It's simply only one page, and we can upload post, and by the clicking upload, it's publicly available for when I upload the post. It shows the every user in the web application. When I log out and log in with another user, you also can see previously uploaded post from another users. And it is pretty simple. If you want to know how I implement this, and I will put my GitHub repo link in my description, and you can simply follow it and implement your authentication system using Asgardeo. And that's it. Bye bye.